Hello everyone, welcome to Liton Learning Point. I am Liton. Today is first day of spoken English for beginners. Okay, what do we say to ask someone about their mood? Answer, how are you? Answer, how are you? Because how are you is used to ask about someone's condition or mood. Okay? Again say, what do we say to ask someone about their mood? How are you? How are you is used to ask about someone's condition or mood. Okay. Then how do you reply politely if someone asks, how are you? Answer, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you is a polite reply. Okay, I am fine, thank you is a polite reply. Then, which question asks someone's name? Answer B. What's your name? What's your name is used to know someone's name. What's your name is used to know someone's name. Then, how do you tell your name? How do you tell your name? Answer B. My name is. Okay. My name is introduces your name. My name is introduces your name. Then, to know someone's country or city, we ask. Okay. To know someone's country or city, we ask. B. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Ask about origin. Where are you from? Ask about origin. Which is a polite greeting when meeting first time? Okay. Which is a polite greeting when meeting first time? B. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is used when you meet someone new. Okay, nice to meet you is used when you meet someone new. Then, how do you say goodbye temporarily? Okay, answer, see you later. See you later. See you later is used to say goodbye. See you later is used to say goodbye. Then, which greeting is for morning? Which greeting is for morning? Answer B. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning is used in the morning. Okay, good morning is used in the morning. Then, which greetings is for night before sleeping? Good night. Good night is used before going to bed. Good night is used before going to bed. Then, how do you ask about someone's job? How do you ask about someone's job? Answer B. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Ask about work or profession. Then, how do you tell your profession? How do you tell your profession? Answer, I am teacher. Okay, I am banker, I am engineer. Okay, I am teacher tells your job. Then, which is a polite way to ask for help? Answer, hey, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me ask for assistance? Okay, can you help me ask for assistance? Then, then, how do you accept to help? How do you accept to help? Sure, I can help. Sure, I can help. Sure, I can help is sure I can help is agreeing to help someone. Is agreeing to help someone. Then, then, which sentences express confusion? Confusion. I don't understand. Which sentences expresses confusion? I don't understand is used when confused. Then 15. How do you ask someone to repeat? Repeat. How do you ask someone to repeat? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Ask someone to say again. Which is used to get attention politely. Politely. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me is used to polite get attention. Which sentence is an apology? Apology. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry is used to apologize. Okay. Then, how do you respond when someone thanks you? You are welcome. Again say, how do you respond when someone thanks you? You are welcome. Then, how do you ask about the price of something? Price of something. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Asks the cost. Which sentence is used to tell the cost? It's 500 taka. It's 500 taka tells the price. Then 21. How do you ask if someone can speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Asks about language ability. Then 22. How do you say you can speak a little English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little shows you know English but no fluently. Then, how do you ask about the time? What time is it? What time is it? Asks the current time. How do you tell the time? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock gives the time. How do you express hunger? I am hungry. I am hungry shows need for food. How do you invite someone to eat? Let's eat. Let's eat suggest eating together. Let's eat. Suggest eating together. Then, how do you express thirst? I am thirsty. I am thirsty shows need for drink. How do you request water politely? Politely, can I have some water? Can I have some water is a polite request. Then, how do you ask where the bathroom is? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Ask for restroom location. How do you give directions? How do you give direction? Simply, 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 it's over there. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there shows location clearly. How do you express liking something? I like this. I like this. I like this shows I like this shows preference. How do you express dislike? I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that shows dislike. How do you ask about someone's favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Asks preference. How do tell your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is biryani. Tells your favorite dish. How do you invite someone to go out? Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Invite someone. How do you accept an invitation? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Some show agreement to go out. How do you politely decline an invitation? No, I am busy. Politely refuses invitation. How do you express fatigue? Fatigue. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired shows need to rest. How do you say you need rest? B. I need some rest. I need some rest indicate desire to relax. How do you talk about a hobby? I like reading books, show personal interest. Then, how do you share another hobby? I love listening to music, talks about personal interest. How do you ask for direction to a market? Can you tell me the way to the market? Polite asks for direction. How do you give simple directions? Go straight and turn left. Simple and clear direction. How do you tell someone about learning English? I am learning English talks about current activity. Which sentence explains importance of practice? Practice makes perfect. Show that practice improve skill. How do you talk about weather? Rainy weather. It is raining. Describe weather. How do you give advice in rain? Take an umbrella. Suggest what to do in rain. How do you wish someone well for the day? Have a nice day. Show good wishes when parting. Which sentence show liking something? I like this. Express preference. Last one is which sentence show which sentence shows dislike? I don't like that. Show dislike. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching.